Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? I'm hoping that you have already explored all around KMS and happy meets with your friends. Welcome to KMS. Welcome to JPPro. So, congratulations for being selected as JPPro student. I'm your financial accounting lecturer, so I'm going to teach you financial accounting. My name is Nur Isma Tisa. You can call me Madam Nur Isma.
So today I'm going to brief you about financial accounting, which is the code is FFA or F3. In KMS we use code FF015 for semester 1 and FF025 for semester 2. Before you start your lesson, you need to know the qualification structure of ACCA. So, you know that when you enter KMS as JPPro student, you will get two certificates. One is a diploma that given by matriculation, and the one is given by ACCA. So we are going to focus on ACCA part. In order you to get diploma in accounting and business, you need to complete this diagram, which is first you need to complete the CAT part. But as JPPro, you don't need to do the CAT. You just begin with these three papers, which is financial accounting, FFA or F3, management accounting, F2, and accountant and business. So now accounting and business, now it's business and technology, which is F1. So if you finish this paper, you will get diploma in accounting and business that given by the ACCA. Okay, this is a diagram related to financial accounting. How it's related to one paper in order you to get the professional certificate. As I mentioned before, that you need to do initially you need to do the CAT, but for the JPPro you are special. You need not to do the CAT, meaning that you have minimized your cost for CAT. So, but for the financial accounting that you're going to do for this matter, we covered the topics that been taught in FA1 and FA2. So you need not to worry about the knowledge because we cover in this subject. And then when you enter your ITM, you will proceed with these two papers. One is financial reporting, which is F7, and then for the strategic part, this is P level. You need to complete the strategic business reporting. So meaning that whatever you are going to learn for this semester or this session, you must master it well, because whatever you have learned before, you have learned in this session, this knowledge will be carried to another paper, so you must be strong knowledge in this subject, this paper. This is the whole diagram of ACCA qualification structure. In order you to be a qualified professional accountant, so you need to go through this 5 level. But as JPPro student, you just begin with the second level, which is applied knowledge that you are going to learn in KMS for the paper F1, F2, F3, and then followed in your ITM for applied skill and strategic strategic professional. For applied skill, you have another 6 paper, which is F 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then for strategic management, which is the P paper, so you have 2 parts here. One is essential and one is option. So for the essential part, this is compulsory you to complete. And then for the option, you only pick 2. So then you will finish 13 paper for the CCA examination. And then in order you to get in order you to be qualified professional accountant, you need to have 3 years experience in 3 years working experience in industry. Then after you finish all of this, you are qualified as professional accountant. The overall aims of the financial accounting syllabus is to develop an understanding on technical part of accounting, which is the use of double entry accounting technique, which is the basic knowledge that you need to master for financial accounting. And then you need to know how to prepare of basic financial statement for sole trader and company. Okay, for this syllabus, you will introduce with the regulatory framework relating to accounts preparation and to the qualitative characteristic of useful information. And then you also will learn about recording, processing, reporting business and events. So this is how to record the business transaction. Then also after recording, you also will prepare the trial balance. From the trial balance, you will do correction of error, and then you will prepare for the financial statement for incorporated and incorporated entities. And then it not stop here. The syllabus also move to 2 directions. Firstly, requiring you to be able to conduct a basic interpretation of the financial statement, and secondly, you need to prepare a simple consolidated financial statement from the individual financial statement of group incorporated entities. On successful completion of this exam, you should be able to, okay, this is a syllabus that you are going to cover. One is part A. You should be able to explain the context and purpose of financial reporting. And then part B, you need to define the qualitative characteristics of financial information. Part C, demonstrate the use of double entry and accounting system. Part D, record transaction and events. Part E, prepare a trial balance, including identifying and correcting errors. For Part F, prepare basic financial statement for incorporated and unincorporated entity. For Part G, you need to prepare consolidated financial statement. Lastly, for Part H, you are able to interpret a financial statement. This is what the syllabus of financial accounting. But we also cover for the CAT part for FA1 and FA2 for this session. So the whole the whole syllabus, the whole topics about this syllabus, the whole topics from this syllabus, we are going to discuss more on lesson plan that I'm going to give you. So from the lesson plan, we will go more on detail. So for study support resources, we have two here. One is getting started, get to know your exam. This is more focused on CBE. And the second one is learning and revision. For study material, we have two way. One is hard copy, which is BPP publisher books. We use this book as our textbook, as our reference in learning session. So for PBB publisher book, the cost for each subject is 200 ringgit per set, meaning that for each subject you need to pay 200. This is for the previous course, 200, 200 and 200. So altogether for 3 paper you need to pay for 600. So for this session, we do not know about the cost yet, so we will contact the agent and ask about the cost, and we will let you know what is the amount. Okay, for each set of book you will have 3 books, which is for FA or for MA, business and technology. You will have study text. This is all the information about the content of the subject, and then revision kit about all the exam covered, which is similar to CBE questions, and then the course note for your class activities. Please make use of these books, because you are going to use this not only for this semester, also you're going to use it for the second semester and until you sit for CBE exam. You know that after you finish matriculation, you need to attempt for the CBE. And then another hard is Kaplan publisher. This is we not provide to you. We not if you interested to buy, you just can you can buy through bookstore, if any there, or you just buy through Kaplan UK through internet. But our library has supplied for you a few sets of Kaplan's book, so you can get it from the library. And then for the Baker publisher has already terminated in ACCA book, but we still have the soft copy of Baker publisher, if this which is the syllabus of 2015, but it's still related, just a few facts that you no need to pay attention. This one, when you go through the syllabus, you know which one you not need to be need to attempt the question. Okay, we will give you the soft copy and then you just print out, because the Baker publication, the statement or the way of presenting the topic is quite easy to understand. And then another method of study material is we use website of accountancy and open tuition. open tuition. So for the slide that I will give you the link also there. You just click the link and then go through the website accountancy and open tuition. Now for accountancy, for the test also you need to pay. Now previously no, it's free, but now you need to pay. And for open tuition still free, and also you have the notes that one is free, as same as accountancy. You can download from it. And also the website from ACCA. Also this is your main reference. Please make use of the ACCA Global as your reference. For further information about financial accounting, you can go to the ACCA website. From the website, you will know about syllabus and study guide. It will give you detail about the syllabus and study guide. You can download from that. And also about examination, the tips, the specimen test, the report for examining team guidance. They will give a report about the previous performance of the candidates, which topic that student made mistake, and which topic that student do well. So from the report, it will help you to do your study on this topic, this paper. ACCA website also can guide you in self-study guide. It provides tips for success, study plans, guidance on how to use study resources, and checklists to keep students on track. So you just follow the track. So it will help you in study financial accounting. And also ACCA website also give the retake guide. So this is retake guide for repeat. So I hope that all my students pass this VE test, no need to retake. Another one is ACCA also provide BPP University English Language Support for ACCA. So you will learn about English. This is free, given by the ACCA. You just click the link and you can learn English for financial accounting. How English for financial accounting. Also for learning and revision, ACCA also provide you a specimen exam. The specimen exam is just similar to the CBE test. You can do practice on it after you finish all the topics for financial accounting. It will help you a lot in answering the CBE test later. And then also ACCA also give other information about technical article, library of article, videos, and podcasts in developing broader insight into the subject. So a few video there you can watch. And also about information about financial accounting also you can get from that. And lastly about frequent answer question, answer to frequently question from student and learning provider. So this all about the CCA website related that the things that you need to do. I already give the link. Just click the link from the slide given to you later. approach to examining the syllabus. You have two type examination. One is for matriculation exam, which is PSPM. You will attempt two. One is semester 1 for FF015, for semester 2 FF025. Then you also will sit for computerized based on examination CBE that were given by ACCA. This is the exam that you need to complete in order you to get a qualified accountant, qualified professional accountant. So for the matriculation, this is in writing format. Both whether this is PSPM or CBE, the format is the same. So the time's duration is 2 hours, consists of 2 sections. So for the section A, 35 objective test question that given 2 marks each, so altogether 70 marks. So the 30 marks belong to the section B. You will have multitask question, 15 marks each. Key exam skills. Tackling objective test questions. So for the section A, this is 35 question on the objective question. So the methods is, one is number entry, multiple response matching. For the section A, no partial marking, means that if you, let's say that question asks you for 2 answer, if you give only 1 answer, it will not give you partial mark. You will lose it totally to 0. So in order you to get full mark of 2, you need to answer 2 question correctly. So for the tackling multitask question, partial marking available, each box is independent. For additional question types, get, fill, drop box, pick list is given. So for this examination, I will give you in detail after you have learned complete topic of the financial accounting. So I will brief you more about key exam skills. For matriculation assessment, we have 3 elements here. One, for the first element is continuous assessment. The weightage is 40%. That cover for your final exam. So this is the amount that we will carry forward. Yeah. So another one is progressive test. You will have 4 progressive tests, but we're going to choose 3, which consists of 20 marks carried for the PSPM. Lastly, you will attempt for penilaian semester program matriculasi, which is PSPM. This is consists of 40% of the final exam. So all together, the total weightage is 100%. So bear in mind that you have the continuous assessment, which is 60%. Please do it well, because 60% you already passed the examination. Whatever your lecturer asks you to do, just do it properly. What biggest reason student fails? Because 100% that they are not doing enough practice question. You know that ACCA is more examination orientation, especially for foundation. For this paper, So the question is about multiple choice. So you need to do enough practice on the question. So you might not have, you might not fail. Just doing practice. Whatever your lecturer give you the question, please attempt it. Please not to leave it blank. Just do it. And then passive learning without actively doing anything means that when lecturer give you everything about assignment, you did not do. What if your lecturer asks you to come to see him or her, so you did not go. So this is a passive learning. You do not understand what you have learned in the class, you just keep quiet. So this will lead you to fail for this examination. So please do actively in your class and do whatever your lecturer asks you to do. You need to practice all the question given by your lecturer. Whether you like or not, you need to practice it. The whole question that given to you. Lastly, I hope that you will doing well for financial accounting. So since you are selected student to join JPPro, so there's no reason for you to say that you cannot do for financial accounting, except for those students that do not have basic knowledge of accounting. You need to work hard, because this within short time you need to cover everything. Just work hard. I know that you can do it. Refer to the previous, most of them doing well, and the marks for the financial accounting always highest. So do great job for exam for financial accounting. Thank you.